Good morning to all my respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Devika. Today is Children's Day. In this day, I am going to speak some words about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated childhood on Children's Day. Tribute is paid to all children in the world. Children are loved by one and all. They win our hearts with their angelic eyes and innocent smiles. It makes one realize that it may be that's the way God wants us to be. India's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on November 14. After his death in 1963, his birthday has been celebrated as Children's Day. Children's in India, Children's Day is not just a day to the future generation. Have it say it is a day to remember a leader who, in his quiet but determined way, laid the foundation to convert a nascent nation into a world power. But why Children's Day? Apart from being known for his skills as statesman, Nehru was also immensely fond of children. The more popular and famous of Nehru's picture show him with children. In all his photographs, Nehru's joy at being children is apparent when he is not sharing pleasantries with them. The expression of intense concentration as he listened to them reveals his commitment and attitude to children. Children to Nehru were little adults in the making. Nehru to children is never in the Indian political leader and prime minister. He is always Chacha Nehru, Nehru uncle. Children's Day is celebrated all over India, especially at the school level. There are community activities with the steps on the children's involvement. The story also goes that he started to wear a rose on his jacket after a child pinned on it. The National Child's Bal Bhavan is also named after Jawaharlal Nehru. Children's Day is literally that it is the day when children all over the country are pampered with goodies. From the school child's point of view, the best thing perhaps that is the special day at school. They no need to wear uniforms and are given sweets. Most schools have cultural programs for the day, with the students managing it all over the country. Various cultural, social, and even corporate institutions conduct competitions for children. Children's Day is a day for children to engage in fun and frolic. Schools celebrate this day by organizing cultural programs. Teachers of the school performs their songs and dances for their students. Various competitions like quizzes, fancy dress competition, and elocution are organized in this day. Children are also treated to a movie and lunch. Television networks and have the recent years started to air special programs all day for kids on November 14. This day is a special treat. Thank you and happy and once again very happy Children's Day.